How you doing? I'm Darren with Kickin Barbecue. If this is your first time to the channel, then welcome. If you've been here before, then welcome back. Today, we're doing chicken wings. We're gonna be doing these chicken wings with Suckle Buster's lemon pepper garlic. If you've never tried this stuff before, it's absolutely delicious. And as always, you can save 10% with my code ASHKICKIN. It'll be down in the description below. So let's just go ahead and jump right into it. I'll show you how we're gonna break these chicken wings down. We're gonna break them into party style wings. Take these tips off, separate the drum and the flat. You can save these tips if you want. You can use them for a stock. I'm just gonna probably toss them today, but they can be used. So I'm gonna bring you guys in, show you exactly how we prep these. All right guys, so to break these down, it's pretty simple. Right here you can kind of feel there's a joint in between the two. You're just gonna get in there with your knife, just a little pressure down, and off comes that tip. Then you're just gonna go ahead, and I like to just kind of clear the skin out here. You can feel another little joint right there. Same thing. Go ahead, clean cut. Looks good. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna break the rest of these down, and I'll bring you back when it's time to season. Alright guys, you can see we have the chicken wings broken down. This knife I'm using is a De Facto blades. I'll leave a link for them in the description below. These knives are awesome. They're pretty cool looking. They come with a sheath. They have a nice little kit that I have from them, and they're really great. Anyways, so you can see I have all of my wings broken down. We're gonna go ahead and we're gonna hit them with a little bit of the Suckle Buster's lemon pepper garlic. Just gonna go ahead and give them a nice even coat. And this stuff is awesome. It's one of my absolute favorites on chicken, but wings specifically, I mean, it is just so good. It's got a nice fresh taste to it. The lemon pops, the herbs in there pop. It's really good. So we're gonna go ahead and just kind of liberally season up our wings. All right guys, we got it all seasoned up. We're gonna go out and get the pit fired up. We're gonna be cooking on the Pit Boss Austin XL today. We're gonna be running at 300 degrees. We're just gonna let these hang out, let the seasoning absorb into the meat, draw some of the moisture out, and I'll pick back up when we're putting them out on the pit. All right guys, you can see we have the wings on. We're running at 300 degrees. We have them so the thicker skin is down. So we're gonna let these run for 10 minutes, and then we'll come back out and we'll give them a little flip. All right guys, you can see we just gave it the first flip here. So we got some nice marks, getting that skin crisped up. We're gonna let it roll for another 10 minutes, and then we'll come out and give it a flip again. So we'll see you then. All right guys, we just flipped them again. It's now the third time we flipped them. We're gonna let them go for another 10 minutes. You can see they're looking really good. Starting to get some good color. We're just gonna get that skin really crisped up here. So we'll check back in about 10 minutes. Guys, you can see we got our fourth flip here, and I just moved them over to the fire pot just to finish them off, try and get that skin a little extra crispy. So we're gonna let them go another 10 minutes, and then we'll come out and temp them and see how they're looking. So we'll see you guys then. All right guys, let's go ahead and check the temp on here. Sitting at about 190 to 200, 193. I'm gonna call these good. I'll get these off, get them inside, and we'll see how we did. See you in a minute. All right guys, so our wings are done. Let's just go over what we did. We ran at 300, skin side down, 10 minutes, flipped, another 10 minutes, flipped, another 10 minutes, flipped, one final turn of 10 minutes. Once they hit about 190 to 200 degrees internal, we pulled them. We're gonna give them a try now. I'm really excited. We're gonna try one plain, and then we're gonna try one with the Alabama white sauce that we made. I'll have the video linked down below and try and link it somewhere up top here too. So let's try one plain. Nice and crispy. Let's give it a shot. It's juicy, it's tender. That lemon really comes through. All the herbs, the pepper, the salt, it all is just, it's a really great wing. You could eat these plain just the way they are. All right, now let's try one with our Alabama white sauce. Like I said, it's a thinner sauce, so see how we did. Go ahead and just give that a roll. Look at that. Oh, Let's give it a shot. Wow, that is delicious. The lemon in the sauce really comes through too, so it's super fresh. It's like a really fresh tasting wing. I mean, it's so good. I gotta get another bite. That's amazing. You guys, you have to try, at the minimum, you have to try the Suckle Busters lemon pepper garlic seasoning, but I would really recommend trying it with this Alabama white sauce. It's like, it tastes like summer. It's a summer wing. It's delicious. Everything about it is great. Guys, if you enjoyed this video, please like, please subscribe, ring the bell. How do you like your wings? Comment down below. Do you like drums? Do you like flats? My answer is yes, I like them both. But comment down below, let me know what you guys like. I hope you guys stay safe, and we'll see you next time.